Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I thought we could go ahead and do a beauty box unboxing of a new beauty box, to me at least. I recently checked my P.O. box and there was a package in there from a beauty box brand that I'd never heard of before. I didn't really know what to expect from it. I did go ahead and take a little sneak peek inside and I decided that, you know, it looked pretty intriguing, so it was worth filming a quick video on, and you guys could see what was happening with this box as well. So this is called the Chic Beauty Box. I looked it up and it says that it is $34.99. It says get 5 to 6 full-size makeup products every other month. Also says that the value of the box will be over $100. So let's go ahead and jump on in. So what it looks like on the inside, very cute. I mean, this is the July-August box, so obviously I'm a little late, but it has everything on the back, and then there are 2 different variations. So I'll kind of hold that to the end and then you can see what the different variations are. But I'm just gonna kind of pull as I go. So the first thing that I see in here is from Smashbox. This is the Always On Duo in the shade Molten, and it has 2 full-size, what are these? I think it says it's their metallic matte liquid lipstick, the shade Exo, Vlada, and Rest Fund. So there is a rose gold and then also a pink copper shade. For me personally, I'm gonna pass this on, maybe throw it in a giveaway at some point just because I don't wear metallic liquid lipsticks, but I feel like I've heard good things about the Smashbox formula. So that duo has a retail value of $30, and then the next thing that I see that I'm pulling out is from NARS. So this is a NARS eyeshadow duo, which has a value of $35. I've only ever tried one eyeshadow duo from NARS in the past. I think I might still have it somewhere. It was like a little limited edition collection. It was so pretty. It was actually really, really nice. It was like a sparkly purple and a sparkly green. So I am intrigued, right? So there's what it looks like. I mean, classic NARS packaging, super sleek. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I mean, it's like a pale beige and then like a gray. Definitely an interesting duo choice. Okay, I don't even know what to think about that. I mean, I guess it could be like a very everyday smoky eye. Like you could use this all over the lid and then use this to blend it out really quickly if you have more fair skin. The next thing I'm pulling out from the box is from Revlon. This is their Photo Ready Color Correcting Pen, and the shade, what is the shade of this? So it kind of looks like a pinky lavender. It says the shade is 020 for dullness, and this retails for $10.99. I haven't tried anything from Revlon in years and years and years and years, so I can't speak to the quality of this at all. I don't really know that I would do a whole lot with like a purpley color correcting pen. I feel like green or pink is kind of what best suits my skin tone. Next we have a liner from Too Faced. This is the Smoke Show Kajal, and I've never used this before or tried this. It is the shade Intense Black. It says that it retails for $19. I mean, it just looks like a typical kind of black eyeliner. Don't know that I'm gonna pull it out right now because I have a few, but actually, let me show you. These are what my 2 black eyeliners look like. As you can see, probably gonna need to open a new one soon. I've kind of been going back and forth between these 2 because I lose them all the time, but it's the Pixie one I really, really like. So yeah, I mean, I feel like a black liner is pretty classic. Most people can get use out of that. And then lastly, on the bottom here is a Tarte palette. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 Skin Twinkle Lighting Palette, and it says that it retails for $42. I really have no idea what this looks like. Okay, I mean, packaging, super pretty. I don't remember ever seeing this. So here's what that looks like. Gosh, let me see if I can show you. It doesn't wanna, come on. Okay, there you go. You can see the shades a little better there. I mean, that actually looks really pretty. Like, I love the packaging. There's a variety of shades here, which makes sense for a subscription box. Let me just, I think out of everything, like this palette is what catches my attention the most. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Right, we've got the shade Daylight, which looks pretty nice. We've got Skylight, Spotlight. I feel like I could use all three of those and kind of mix and match. And then we've got Candlelight, which is a little bit more bronzy. There's what that looks like. I mean, the top two shades look really, really nice. So I'm actually pretty excited to try that. So I just did the calculations and the entire box value is $136.99, which is not bad at all considering their like website just says over $100. So it was almost $140. I personally I think that was a pretty decent box, like decent brands, interesting products. Probably the most impressive box I've opened in a while, which is why I was like, I definitely wanted to film a video on it. So I'll just show you really quickly. You can see I got the variation 1, but variation 2 has like a really fancy facial oil. It has a highlighter from Laura Geller, and then it looks like the other products are the same, like for as far as the NARS eyeshadow duo. I'm not sure if the shade is the same. And then the Smashbox liquid lipsticks and the Revlon correcting pen is in both. So I'd love to know what you thought of this box, and that is pretty much everything for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.